Hello YouTube, welcome to our very first video tutorial. This is Saifuddin Talukdar here. Today I am gonna introduce you with the most common and important language used in the web development. Yes, it's HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is the standard markup language for creating web pages and web applications. You would never know how important HTML is for the WWW, that stands for World Wide Web. So here we go. Introduction to HTML. HTML is a language that describes the structure of web pages using markup. HTML has elements that are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are represented by tags. These tags are the most important things in HTML. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. On my next video tutorial, I will show you how to write heading, paragraph, and table in HTML. And browsers do not display the HTML tags but use them to render the content of the page. I'm gonna show you how to write HTML code. For learning HTML, I personally recommend you a simple text editor like Notepad, or you can use Notepad++, or there are many other simple text editor. I believe using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML. I'm gonna instruct you through how to use Notepad to write your first HTML code. So here we go. Open the start screen here, then you can easily find the Notepad. Or what you can do is click the search button here, type Notepad. Yeah, it's already appeared here. So I'm gonna open this Notepad. Here it is. I'm showing you a simple HTML code. No worries, on my next videos I will explain the details of everything about HTML. So I'm gonna write my first HTML code. This is the most important thing in HTML. This is called tags. The symbol is called tag. So inside the tag, what I'm gonna write is doc type HTML. Yeah, this is the mandatory things in HTML. You should declare what you are gonna write. So what is the document type? The document type is HTML. So it's very important to declare the document type here. So I'm gonna write the opening HTML tag. Then after HTML tag, what I'm gonna write? Yeah, it's body tag. What are you gonna write under the body section? It will be appear on your web page. So it's very important when you write something, you should make sure that you write under the body section. So I'm gonna write a heading, like I'm gonna write my name, so I'm gonna close this heading tag. So when you close a tag, it's very simple. You just add a slash here, then it's a closing tag already. So I'm gonna write another paragraph. So I'm gonna write my university name. I'm gonna close the tags as well. So for writing paragraph, we will always use p tag, and for heading h1 tag. So I'm not gonna write anything today. So I'm gonna close this body section. So how to close the body section is simple as this. Just add a slash. That's all. Then I'm gonna close the whole HTML code. It's same as this. So I just write the first HTML code of my first video tutorial. So I'm not gonna explain everything in this video. On my next videos I'll explain every details of HTML code. This is just to show you how the HTML code runs, how to write, and how it works. So the next steps is to save the file. I'm gonna click the file here. Sorry, I'm gonna click the save as. I'm gonna save it in desktop. So I'm gonna write save. So make sure you should always use extension called .html to save the file as HTML file, and you should let the type as always all files and the encoding as UTF-8. So here it is. I'm gonna save this file and click save. Yeah, here it is. Alright, so what is the next step? I will show you how to open these HTML files in your web browser. It's very simple. Click the HTML file here. You can click the open, or if you want to choose your browser, then you can use Chromium, Google Chrome. So I'm gonna use Internet Explorer. Alright, let's wait for a while. Yes, it's appeared already. See, Saif.html here. Yeah, and this is the heading, Saifuddin Talukdar, and this is University Malaysia Sarawak, which one I write as a paragraph and this one I write as a heading. So that's all. So it's very simple to write HTML code. So that's all for today, and thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you guys on the next video tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.